Kini episode lawan Rashapi dah KR Enterprises. Kebai ke one-stop solution na batagi furniture sets haki yang berinternet ke jongpi berpilak pen pre-book yang customized sofa sets, dining table, Godrej ngelor kiwe kat kum ke budget bat ke design ke bak kuat. KR ke end-to-end construction solutions na duk architect and planning adu ki kam interior yang kemai jongpi. Wani kujat haki dukan jong ke KR Enterprises hayau tumi jowai lani hai surat Shillong na batagi jingtip bakamnya.
Mentakas ngi dan Windermere Resort Shillong hakani ka JK Architect of the Year Awards arajar apan reo ka badai ka kusnam ka baai ki architect ki betbet ke lengkeri India Saudong alingin akan kampanya don ayu hakani ka event. Please introduce yourself and can you please explain why we are bringing outside jurors outside for this.
Right. Okay. Thank you so much. My name is Dr. Architect Atul Kumar Singla. I am from Punjab, from Jalandhar. And I think it's a great endeavor to bring in jurors from different countries. We had Mr. Jason, Architect Jason from Mauritius, and Architect Juma from Kenya. And obviously we missed Architect Ali, Mr. Ali from Bangladesh. He couldn't make it last minute. But I think it's a great idea and it brings a completely new and different perspective towards the juries, the entries. And they are looking at it from a very unbiased perspective, which the Indian jurors may be having, So it brings in a completely different viewpoint.
So can you just elaborate on JK Architect of the Year Awards 2026?
Yes. First of all, I am Rana Pratap Singh and I'm the administrator of JK Architect of the Year Award. And our company is 140-year-old company which was founded by Jugge Lalji and Kamlapa Singhania ji. Coming to the JK Architect of the Year Award, we have been doing this award since last 35 years, and we have conducted this our JK Architect Year Award every metro cities, and also now we are going to the 2-tier cities, and in that context we have chosen this Shillong. Till now, we haven't conducted any program in Northeast area, so this is the first time, and the best thing is we have a awesome gathering here. We have lot of architects. We have they have listened that JK is doing JK Architect of the Year Award in Shillong. So many government people, IS people, the MLA, everybody has gathered to see the kind of display we have done. We have displayed 363 entries.
Kong long pishu introduce la dia but pilong pishu ajeng mut lang ngi kum ki architect mo pisngo ngi pila ban imjak po kum ki architect hang ni ha Shillong na ngi pitrai pidan kam ban mi shabar ne shiki metro city na shawai no kum bapin im.
Hello nga kateng ibana mesha karkongor nga di architect nga di na Shillong hi di nga la practice hang ni mentala more than 12 years. Di na do ba nga la ada pulie nga lawan pai sa Shillong hi nga la tre hang ni di kata ka jingkli jong fi bafikali ba ka don scope ni em hapo Shillong bangin ya practice kum ka ni ka career jingi ka architecture di kat kum ka jing so janga tinga songi dang khamya Duna hi menta ki architects di ngi don kam mi dang khamya don kam khambun chu na mar kilang kat kum ka jingbi menta le ngi don kam ha ki ni architects na mar ba kat kum ka jing penya jong ka an ngi haban ya follow kini ki bylaws jong ka muda bylaws kata di kaditang ka way ka part ken bangi don kam kum ki architects bangi haban approve bangin le ki drawings bangin ai ki design ki brio handai another thing bangi i ka kani ka jaka jong kam long plan bha ki sheshna kulmar tinga sngo ba ki dang don kam khambon bha ken ki architects jaya he bharat bhagya vidhata jaya he jaya he jaya he jaya 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 he.
I am going to share very briefly one of the projects that it took 18 years for completion for various reasons, but it's what I call a lifetime project. It was the memorial for the victims of the 2001 earthquake in Gujarat. And this is the equinox, where the sun cuts through one of these points again and gets framed. And it has come, the land has come back alive again.
There was a lot of debate on each and every entry, and there was always a disagreement, agreement, and due to some reason, some changes their mind and some changes their decisions. Ultimately, we all come to the final conclusion, and we was expecting more entry to this, and of course, it has gone very. Extensive extensive working for 2 days for all the jurors.
How does the jury define excellence and how do they choose the winners?
So my name is Jason Chan, and I come from Mauritius. I'm actually the current president of the Mauritian Association of Architects. So, first of all, I want to thank the organizing committee here, JKAA, JK Smith, for inviting us and for giving actually the opportunity to the whole entry and candidates to apply for this. They will have great exposure. And in regards to your question, so we basically assess all the entries by different, first categories. So you have private residents, foreign architects, etc. So we try to see whether the concepts are strong first. Second, if they kind of adapt to the context of the place where they are actually building, designing the building, they have to adapt to this. Third is how sustainable they are aware. So they have to be really conscious about that. And third, obviously, the aesthetic of the building itself.
The diversity across the country, men, women, different age groups, the creativity and the environmental understanding of the context. So to me, it was very exciting. So I'm happy that JK Cement Group are able to assist the professionals in the architectural profession to grow and seek excellence. We say in architecture, the best approach is to mentorship, is to get a mentor, look for an architectural office, or look for an architectural school. Just visit, go and see what the students in that institution are doing. Try to participate in the exercises, because architecture, as you saw from my story, is about making things. So the moment you start learning to make things, then you understand how things work and you can build up.
It's an eye opener here for our architects here, for the architectural fraternity in Shillong and the Northeast, and especially the students. We have invited students from NEHU, Polytechnic from Joai. They've come yesterday. They were here, and the exhibition is on. And I'm sure it's going to be an eye opener. It's quite a prestigious award too. It's 35 years old, and definitely it's going to open up a lot of things. And I've been a juror once in Baroda, and I've seen how it helped. Of course, in the cities is a different thing altogether, but here in the Northeast, it's a big boost for the architectural fraternity and architecture in general.
Yeah, I'm delighted to announce the winners in the Foreign Countries Architecture Awards category for this year. The winner for the Foreign Countries Young Architects Award goes to Mikdadi Mchao from Dar es Salaam for the project Visitors Information Center, Tanzania. The winner for the Foreign Countries Commendation Award goes to architect Mahmudul Anwar Riyad from Dhaka for the project Nurdin Complex, Narayanganj, Bangladesh. And the winner for the Foreign Countries Architect of the Year Award goes to architect Mohammed Ishtiaq Zahir and architect Mohammed Iqbal Habib from Dhaka for the project of the Gymkhana Sheikh Russell Park.
Tingilai bangilai asngone architect leng saudong kari India pa na sabar kari India ya ka jingye sam jongki ba ka jingya jongki ya kane kalain architecture tingila push ka bawai kane ka event jongi hang ne ngadi nang san hame khongwer na bantau for media kubleshibon.